We want to talk about rules of differentiation in differential calculus. We have the first rules if we are to differentiate constant. If y is equal to c, the y over the x will be equal to 0. And we also have the general formula. The general formula for differentiation, if y is equal to a multiplied by x raised to power n, the y over the x will be n a x n minus 1. Let's solve some examples. You discover that the first said differentiate the following. The first example gives us that y is equal to 5. So solution to that is this. It means the y over the x must be 0. It is known to be like that. But we can also prove it to say that if y is equal to 5, recall that y can be s raised to power 0. And if you're able to relate the formula together, it means the y over the x is equal to 0 times 5 times s to the power is 0 minus 1. We're able to know that by the time you multiply 0 with any number, it will surely give you 0. So therefore, I just use this availability to prove to you that by the time we are to differentiate any constant value, it will surely give us 0. Let's solve the example 2. It says y is equal to x squared plus 3x plus 4. To solve this, we discover that the x squared, x is to the power 2, 3x, x to the power 1 plus 4. So we try to analyze it to say that the y over the x is equal to 2 dot x onto 2 minus 1 plus 1 dot 3 onto x 1 minus 1 plus 0. Why? Because the 4 is 0. We continue. We said the y over the x is equal to 2x raised to power 1 plus 3x raised to power 0. So this will give us the y over the x will give you 2x plus 3. Now we have to solve the third questions, which the third questions we say the value of the number 3, which is the third example, said y equal to 1 over root x. We have to go back to the law of indices to rewrite it to say that y can be written as 1 over x raised to the power half. By the time you say it, you can also be written as y is equal to s raised to the power minus 1 over 2. All this, we have the opportunity to write all these things like this just because we have to follow the rules of indices about the reciprocate. Therefore, the y over the x equal to minus 1 over 2 times x onto minus half minus 1. So the y over the x give us 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2 onto x. By the time we add minus half to give you minus 3 over 2. So the final answer will now be the y over the x equal to minus 1 over 2 x raised to power minus 3 over 2 answer. So that is how we apply the first the rules of indices. We use the rules of indices, just substitute directly times.